All I can say is that is super creepy. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video, part of my 31 days of Halloween. This is the look that I'm going to show you how to recreate today. I was really going for like a UV kind of galaxy look, kind of like the photo filters, photography filters that were in, like UV lights. I don't know if this one really does any UV type stuff. Possibly? Hold on. This is the only UV light I have. We'll just call this a galaxy look. So I took a lot of inspiration from a look that I saw James Charles do, but I wanted to make it more pink and have a little bit more color in it. So this is the look right here. I hope you guys like it. If you want to see how I got it, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, welcome to day number 2. Hi. I'm applying some Radiance primers first to my face, and I'm going to then apply a blur stick or Radiance blur stick from Milk Makeup to fill in any pores, because we are going to be putting some shadows and paints on our face, so we want to have a smooth surface. I tried something new. I applied concealer before foundation, and I actually like the way that it came out. It looked actually pretty good, so maybe I'll try this in like a regular makeup routine one day. I don't know, we'll see. Then I'm going to apply some translucent powder from Colourpop just to set everything. I'm only lightly setting because I still want to make sure that the shadows are going to be opaque on my face. And then applying a little bronzer just in case I don't use my entire face for these shadows that I'm planning on using. I'm mainly using the Morphe 35B palette, and these are the shades that I'm going to be using throughout the entire video on my face and on my eyes. I'm then going to attempt to put shadows or start to put shadows on my face and realize that it's just not as pigmented as I want it to be. So I'm going to use the Makeup Forever 12 color flash palette, and I'm going to be using these 4 or 5 shades to start like the base of my face paint. Kind of similar to how I did my black and white makeup, if you guys saw that video yesterday. And then once I've gotten the paints down, I kind of just did blue, pink, then yellow, and then I added a little white to highlight, and then I did the exact same thing with the eyeshadows. For the eyes, I'm applying a yellow shade in my crease, and then I jumped into the Colourpop and Kathleen Light's So Jaded palette. The dark blue is so pigmented in this palette, so I really wanted to use that, and I did use it throughout the video. I'm then using a purple and a pink in the crease to mix that blue and that yellow together, and then I am cutting that crease just with some Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and I decided to use this really pretty shade from the Morphe palette. It's like a very shimmery yellow. It comes out kind of like white, so I use that in the inner corners. I then took this really pretty shade from Tarte. This is one of their shadow pots. This is called Pot of Gold. It's a little bit more yellowy gold, so I applied that right after that white like yellow, and then I darkened up the outer corners and then added a little bit of pink to make the transition a little more flawless. Then I'm applying some black liner to tightline the top lash line, some yellow liner on the bottom lash line, and then I'm using the Maneater liquid liner from Tarte to give myself a nice little wing here. Once I've winged out my eyes, I'm going to use some mascara from Revlon and pop on some lashes from Huda Beauty. I feel like I can't say it without saying Huda Beauty. Gotta say Huda Beauty. Then I'm just brushing my brows with the Benefit Gimme Brow and now adding some highlight. I use this bluish highlight from Wet n Wild, and then I just use that yellow shade to highlight anywhere where there's yellow. So cheeks, brow bone, inner corner, nose, and then we're jumping over to lips. I'm using this Buxom Plump Line lip pencil, and then I'm putting Pink Sands from Tarte right in the center, and this absolutely gorgeous gloss from NYX I'm going to put all over my lips. I'm going to jump right back into the So Jaded palette, and I'm taking this glittery shade. It looked so pretty and really emulates like stars, so I just like disperse this all over the blue part of my forehead. I then took my Suva Beauty Hydra liner in Space Panda, and I'm creating little dots as stars, and then I created a horrible moon. Do better than me, guys. Do better than me, because I just couldn't fix it. I was kind of screwed already at that point. I'll probably fix it in some editing, but do a better moon than me. And then I added some shooting stars as well. And then for the hair, I let down my hair, and I'm using this IGK Preparty glitter spray and then some Tarte glitter gel with little stars in it all over my hair, and it actually looked so cool on camera. And here is the finished look. As always, guys, make sure to tag Beauty by Julia on Instagram so I can see your recreations. Alright guys, that's it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. If you recreate this look or any of my other Halloween looks, make sure to tag me at Beauty by Julia on Instagram so I can see it and share it. I love when you guys recreate my looks. As always, subscribe, check out all my other Halloween videos, and I'll see you guys probably tomorrow.